Journal of Ecology and Environment article. Title is Comparison of Stand Structure and Growth Characteristics between Korean White Pine Plantation and Oak-Dominated Natural Deciduous Forest by Thinning Treatment. Korean white pine is a major commercial species, and the importance of the oak trees is increasing due to various factors such as environmental and ecological values. However, more information is required to clearly understand the growth characteristics of these species, especially regarding thinning intensity. This study was performed to provide the basic information to develop the silvicultural guideline and field manual by analyzing tree and stand characteristics in line with thinning intensity in the Korean white pine plantation and oak-dominated natural forest. Diameter at breast height and volume changes by the thinning intensity in the Korean white pine plantation were significantly different from those in the oak-dominated deciduous natural forest. In particular, DBH distribution in the pine stand appeared that there were more large diameter trees as the thinning intensity was higher. VBH periodic annual increment of the pine stand was higher as the thinning intensity was stronger and the growth period was shorter. This trend was similarly shown in the natural deciduous forest, but the amount of pie was smaller than in pine stand. The volume pie after thinning was not decreased over time. In each stand type, the pie tended to be lower as stand density was higher. The volume pie in the pine stand was significantly higher than that in the oak-dominated natural deciduous forest. Dead trees occurred the most in the unthinned plots of each stand type, and those were higher in the natural deciduous forest. Ingrowth trees were observed only in the natural deciduous forest, and its distribution was the lowest in unthinned plots. Korean white pine as ingrowth occurred the most frequently among many tree species. Different effects of thinning treatment on DBH and volume pie, mortality, and ingrowth were observed for each stand. With respect to forest growth, Korean white pine plantation was superior to the oak-dominated natural deciduous forest. The results of this study offer fundamental information for the development of silvicultural guidelines for Korean white pine plantations and oak-dominated natural deciduous forests in Korea. Thank you for watching Journal of Ecology and Environment article.